Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of compact cooking with the Instant Vortex 2QT Mini Air Fryer, a small yet mighty appliance that crisps, reheats, bakes, and roasts for quick and easy meals. This 4-in-1 kitchen essential features advanced EvenCrisp technology, ensuring a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. With customizable one-touch smart programs, you can effortlessly whip up wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and even cinnamon buns. Say goodbye to long preheating times as this air fryer heats up in minutes, offering a versatile temperature range from 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, making it a must-have for any kitchen, especially for those preparing meals for 1 to 2 servings. Discover amazing recipes with the free Instant Pot app available on iOS and Android, and enjoy peace of mind with built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off. Its compact design with a pop of color perfectly combines function and style, making it a standout addition to any countertop. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.